Hello everyone, welcome back to another delicious episode of Mustard Temper Dreams. I am Neha and today I am making a very popular Maharashtrian street food that's not just extremely delicious but also very healthy. And the name of this amazing dish is misalpav. The word misal literally translates to mixture, and that's what this dish is. A mixture of sprouted beans cooked in a spicy curry topped with some crunchy farsan, raw onions, fresh coriander and drizzled with a generous amount of lime juice. And this amazing misal is usually served with pav or slices of bread. Now every region in the state of Maharashtra has its own version of misal, and every version is as good if not better than the other. If you love hot and spicy food, you are going to absolutely love this dish. So let's go make some misal, and you will find all the ingredients listed in the description below. To make our misal, we will first need to sprout our beans, for which here I've taken 3/4 cup of moth beans, half a cup of whole green moong and 1/4 cup of brown chickpeas. Chickpeas are optional and you can skip them if you like. Now to sprout these beans and chickpeas, I soaked them overnight and then drained them and wrapped them in a damp cloth and then left them on the counter for 24 hours. This method is foolproof and yields perfect sprouts every single time. Just look at how perfect and gorgeous these sprouts look. Now I'm going to add all our sprouts into a pressure cooker. I'll give them a quick mix with my hand and then add in some water. We are going to add enough water so that the water is at least an inch above the sprouts. Now we'll add some salt to taste and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then we'll pressure cook the sprouts for just one whistle and immediately release the pressure. Check this out, our sprouts look perfectly cooked. Going ahead, I'm going to first make our ginger, garlic and chili paste. Into this mortar pestle, I'm going to add 5 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 inches of ginger, 2 hot green chilies and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we are going to pound this into a coarse paste. Perfect, now let's get cooking. Now to make our misal, I'm going to start by adding 3 tablespoons of oil into this thick bottomed pot. When the oil becomes hot, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and as they begin to splutter, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then we'll add 10 to 12 curry leaves and about 2 to 3 pinches of hing or Asafoetida. We'll give this tempering a quick stir and then add in our ginger, garlic and chili paste. We'll saute this till the ginger garlic lose its raw smell and just about start browning. Then we'll add in a big finely chopped onion. We'll saute the onions till they cook and begin to caramelize. And then we'll add in our powdered spices. We'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder and 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. We'll mix in the spices thoroughly and saute them for about 30 seconds. Then we'll add in 1 teaspoon of Kanda Lasun or onion, garlic and red chilli masala. If not available, you can substitute this with regular garam masala. We'll roast the masala for a few seconds and then add in a big chopped tomato. We'll cook the tomatoes till they soften and then add some salt to taste. Next we'll add a medium-sized evenly cubed potato. We'll thoroughly mix in the potatoes till they are nicely coated and then add in half a cup of water. We'll mix in the water, cover the pot and let the potatoes cook on low heat till they soften. Now let's check if the potatoes are cooked. They are perfectly done. And now it's time to add in our cooked sprouts. We'll give this a good mix and bring our misal to a boil. Now we'll cover the pot once again and let our misal simmer on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Just look at this and you can't even begin to imagine the aroma. And finally, I'm going to add in a generous amount of fresh coriander leaves. And now it's time to eat. But first, we need to assemble the misal. As a final garnish, we are going to top this amazing misal with some crunchy farsan, some raw chopped onions, some fresh coriander and a drizzle of lime juice. This misal is making me super hungry. I can't wait anymore. Product! Make sure to give this mind-blowing misal a try, and when you do, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Mustard Temper Dreams. See you next week. Bye!